In this video, I will demonstrate the process on how to backdate a post in WordPress. As an example, let's take this first post. As you can see, it has been posted on December 1st, 2023. And let's assume that I need to change the date to somewhere in the past, such as October 15th, 2023. And after the change, this post will be positioned between this post and this post. So to make the switch is very easy, just log into WordPress dashboard, then hover on posts, click on all posts, then locate the post in question. In my case, this one is the first post, and then click on edit. Once the editor loads, you should see the publish date right here on the right. In case you don't see it, you just need to click on the settings and it should pop up. Then let's click on the December 1st, 2023 date, and let's change it to something different like October 15th, 2023. For time, let's put 12 p.m. And then let's click update. Okay, so the post has been saved. Now let's go back to posts. And so you can notice it's right here is the second one right now. It's between the November 1st post and October 1st post. In fact, if I go back to the website and refresh it, choosing the right espresso machine post is right in the middle. So that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.